Are you ready to party? I want to see you move tonight. Feel the rhythm, feel the vibe. Let's rise together and dance. Here we go. Step into the rhythm, feel the fire. Let your body move, take it higher. From Lagos to Accra to Cairo, we're dancing together, let the music flow. Rise and dance, we're shining bright. Feel the beat, take flight tonight. All right, I see you all moving. This is what Afrobeat is all about. Energy, freedom, unity. Don't be shy if you feel the beat, let me see you jump. I see you in the back, don't hold back. From the streets of Africa to the world we go. Let the Afrobeat take control. Rise and dance! All right, we're slowing it down a little. I want you to feel every beat, every groove. Woo, let it move through you. The moonlight calls, we feel the vibe. In the city, where the rhythm thrives. It's the groove of the night, it's in the air. A rhythm so deep, beyond compare. Can you feel it? Feel the groove tonight. In the rhythm, we find the light. Every beat, it sets us free. Come and dance with me, can't you see? Can't you see? Yeah. All right, it's time to sing. This one is for all of us. Together we rise. Let me hear you sing, let me hear your voices. From the heart of Africa to every land, we rise together, hand in hand. Through the struggles, through the pain, we dance as one, we break the chains. Feel the rhythm of the music in your soul. Let me see your hands up high. Hey, hey. Together we rise, we break the skies. We're one in the rhythm, we're soaring high. From every corner, from every soul, we're dancing together, we make it whole. Let's end this night with AL, the energy we've got. I want to hear you, I want to see you. Let's make this the best moment of the night. Let me see those hands up. Feel the heartbeat, feel the sound. Afrobeats rising all around. From the streets to the skies, we rise and fly. No holding back, we reach for the high. Let me see those hands up high. Are you ready for the final song? Everybody make some noise now. Afrobeat in our hearts, we are one, never torn apart. From the soul to the street, this rhythm makes us complete. Afrobeat in our hearts. Let the music set you free. We're all together, can't you see? Afrobeat is what we're made of. We shine together, full of love. Say yeah, say yeah, say yeah. Put your hands together, let's go. Say yeah, say yeah, say yeah. Put your hands together, let's go. Everybody make some noise. Are you ready for the final chorus? Afrobeat in our hearts, we are one, never torn apart. From the soul to the street, this rhythm makes us complete. Thank you everyone. You've been amazing tonight. This energy, this vibe, we did this together. Afrobeat is about unity, it's about love, and it's about dancing together. Keep the rhythm alive wherever you go.